Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. Mine's going fantastic because I got the April 2019 Boxycharm. So this is $21 a month. Now, I do receive this in PR, but I did not get the one in PR yet. I did get this. This is the one under the account that I purchased. This is $21 a month. So I already did this unboxing, started to, and I will explain why I had to start over. All right, so when you open it up, it says Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. Hello, Boxycharm. So it says peace, love, and Boxy this month. And then on the back tells you what everything is. It gives you the price. And I have version 6. One of my friends got oh my God, variation 17. So there's at least 17 variation, guys. I mean, that's crazy, right? All right, so let me just show you what I had to start over. So I believe everybody got one of these, it's just depending on the shade. So this is from Artist Couture, and I believe this is Mac Daddy's brand. And I got the color Purple Dream. Okay, and I love these loose powders. I really, really do. So let's see. It's $27, and it says, this all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. This versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on an unreal glow. All right, so the reason why I had to start over, because I could not take the little safety seal out of it. I was struggling, and I don't edit my videos, so I had to actually poke holes right in there, if you can see. All right, so let's try this again, and I hope okay. Come on. I don't know if I made the holes big enough, but I have a little bit on here, so let me take it and do a little swatch. So that's what it looks like right there. Oh, I thought this was like, ooh, this is like duochrome. So it's like goldish, and it has like a pinkish purple. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I wish, let me see if I can get more. If you see how hard I am banging. Okay, so let's see. This is very glittery though. If you guys can see, it's right there. But it, like I said, it does have glitter in it. So I don't know how I feel about that, but you know what? And let me show you with these loose things. If you wet it, let's wet my hand. Okay, and let's try this again. Let me show you what it looks like when wet. I think I got my hand a little bit too wet. Come on. Okay. So if you guys can see now, like how pigmented it is if you wet this highlighter, you can see. So I think what I'll definitely do is use this for my eyes. I don't know if I will use it as a highlighter, only because of the glitter. I'm not a fan of glittery highlighters, but this is so good. Like I said, I think I have like 2 other ones that I love and I use all the time. I think I just hit my earrings. All right, what do you guys think of these earrings? These are like the 90s styles are coming back. Love these. I used to wear these back in the 90s. All right, anyway, I digress. The next thing we got is this lip gloss from Appeal. This is holographic lip gloss, and I love lip gloss. I always put a lip gloss over my lipsticks, so I'm definitely excited to get this. And this is $21, which is not surprising because Appeal Cosmetics tend to be very expensive. Even their loose pigments, I think, are like $21, $22. Do I think they're worth $21? No, but the brand is definitely expensive because I don't think I would pay $21 for a lip gloss. Because Fenty lip gloss, which is my favorite, I think that's like $18, and that's a well-established brand. So, anyway, enough for me rambling. Oh no, don't tell me there's a safety seal on this one. Jesus. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay. I think I got it. Yes. All right. Get off of me. All right, let's do a little swatch and see. Okay, so that's what the applicator looks like. It's a regular doe foot applicator. And this is just like a clear lip gloss right there, if you can even see it. Right there. Let's put it on and see. Kind of taken off my lipstick, but I do see like glitter in different colors. It has a shift to it. Really, really pretty. So I like that. So there we go again. But I don't know, would you guys pay $21 for a lip gloss? I mean, I'm glad I got it in this subscription box. I do, but I just wouldn't pay that. All right, so then we have Luxie brushes. Let's see, how much is this? This is freebie. Okay, this is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set for $28. All right. I'm having the awfulest time opening things up. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Look at how it goes. Look at that packaging. That is so pretty. I like that a lot. All right, so these are the brushes right here. So we have this brush that's like pinched right here. I don't tend to, this would be great for me to put like under eye shadow on. Let's see what it says. What does it say? Does it have like what it's for? Of course, I can't read it. This is a large shader brush, so you can also put your shimmer or anything on top there. But for me, I would just probably use it for under my eyes, which I'm glad to get this. Then we have, is this a small shader brush? What is this? Let's see. What does it say? Yeah, small. What the hell does that say? I don't know if that's a small shader or small shadow. So right there. And what I tend to use these for, I like to put, I put my highlighter on right like this under my arch with these type of brushes. And then we have, which is this? This says small contouring brush right there. And because of the way it's like this, I would probably use it for to apply like contour or bronzer. So you can even do blush. You can do anything you want with them. Just because it says what this is for, it's multi-uses. Brushes are definitely multi-uses. So I would probably pay $28 for these 3 brushes because I do tend to love Luxie brushes. They're really good quality. So that's exciting. What does it say? It says this Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, which is this one here, the bigger one. And it says, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush, okay, so it says shader, this right here, is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. And grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush right here. Brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So I love getting brushes. All right, so love that. Then we have this Bally Bronze. It's an eye pencil right here in bronze. Oh, this is like a pencil. All right, I'm not going to swatch this because I don't tend to use this color. So I'll put this either in a giveaway or give to a friend. But, okay, so this is from Bodyography. This would be $14. It says the super smooth coconut oil infused eye pencil glides on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. This Bodyography eye pencil is rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a perfectly smoky effect. So, there we go. All right. And last but not least, we got this Festival eye palette from Pure. So I do know Pure made this for Boxycharm. So there we go. On the back is all the colors. All right, and this is, how much is this? $36. Now, there was like another eyeshadow palette, I believe it was the Masquerade, that I really liked the formula, but the other Pure palettes, I didn't really care for with the Boxycharm. Something just flew out. What the heck is that? Let me pick that up. All right, so this is Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So it's a little sample to try. All right, so this is what it looks like. That's really, really pretty. There we go. That's the back. All right, so, ooh, that is pretty. So it has a nice mirror right there. All right, let's take this off so I can show you. All right, that's really, really pretty. So there we go. Now, if you look at this and get scared, if you just kind of take these two colors right here, I mean, it's really, if you take them two colors out, this is like a neutral look. The only thing is these two here, it smells good. These two here are pressed glitters, and I don't really tend to use pressed glitters. So that's just a personal preference, and I hate when they put it in a palette. But like I said, that is just personal to me, but it's actually, they're really, really pretty. All right, so let's do some swatches. All right, so I'm going to swatch the top row right here that looks like it's all shimmers. So let's see. There we go. Ooh, these are really pretty. This quality is like the Masquerade palette, so that is really, really pretty. Wipe my hands. All right. I'm not going to do the glitters. I'll do them last. So I'll do these three right here, if you guys can see. So these two are mattes. The purple is a shimmer shade. So let's see. Yes, these are really, really pretty. Really pretty. Let me swatch this again. Let's just see if it's buildable. Yes, look at that. That is pretty. Let's do it the purple. I always like to see if it's buildable because I'd rather have an eyeshadow palette that's not that pigmented but is buildable. I tend to like that kind of stuff because if you go in too dark and if you mess up, you got to take the whole eye look out. So I do like that. All right, so these two are mattes and this is like a shimmer, I guess you would call it. All right, it's pretty. They are swatching so beautifully. There we go. Again, I'm going to go in again and see. That is so pretty. So, I mean, gorgeous. Again, if you take out these two shades like this, if you look, you have a neutral palette. So if you're scared of color. All right, so let's swatch these glitter shades. Okay. I mean, this is pretty. Look at these two. So, so pretty. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look, and I still have a lot left. Let's see how it swatches. Let's see. Go in a little bit. Look at that, guys. I mean, that's just gorgeous. I don't know. I might end up using this glitter. So that is the palette. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a lot better than the couple palettes that we got before. I think this is definitely the quality that we got in that Masquerade palette. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, here we go. There's the glitters. There is the eyeshadows. What am I doing? Right there. And like I said, if you take these two out, you basically have a neutral palette. So if you don't like color, if you're scared of color, the only thing for me, if this says like festival, I would think this would be more colorful. I mean, I guess in a way it's good because not a lot of people like color. It's just festival, I think more colors. But I like it. I'm not knocking it. I think this is a really good month. I really, really like this month. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you get your Boxycharm? Do you get Boxycharm? What did you get? Are we box twins? Did you get something else? Did you get a lip gloss? What did you get? I know another variation. You can get a mascara. Let me know. If you want to get this, I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think. I am going to be doing an eye look with this palette, so stay tuned for that. And that's everything. Please like this video. It really helps me out. I do have a giveaway going on. I will leave it down. Let me try that again. I will leave it linked down in the description box. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.